When the mind feels overheated or restless, we turn to the cooling wisdom of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. In Vedic tradition, the left nostril is associated with Chandra, the moon, representing lunar energy and tranquility. This practice involves inhaling exclusively through the left channel to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. It is the targeted tool for reducing body heat, soothing anxiety, and preparing the system for a restful sleep or deep meditation. With that said, I'll see you on the mat and let's get breathing. In this segment, we explore the Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Chandra relates to all things lunar. Lunar represents the element of cooling, the elements of calming, the elements that help us feel rested. This calm, cool, and rested elements are essential for us to be able to absorb the nutrients that we digest. Our body, the digestive organs digest the food, but the assimilation of nutrients happens when the body cools, when the body rests. So this technique is a powerful way to help you bring in that sense of calm, cool, and rested nature in your body. So here is the technique. So we're going to inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. So we'll continuously inhale through the left, holding the right nostril closed, and when we are ready for exhale, we open the right and close off the left nostril. So we'll use the ring finger and thumb to close off one nostril at a time. So place the index finger and the tall finger between your eyebrows. Start with both nostrils open. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out. One more deep breath in and breathe it out. Now closing your right nostril off, inhale through the left. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Inhale through the left. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Close off the right, open the left, inhale. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Close off the right, open the left, inhale. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right and continue on your own. And slowly and gradually release both nostrils. And open your eyes. I hope this short sequence of Chandra Bhedi Pranayama is beneficial to you to restore the element of calmness in your mind, cool in your body, and leaving you with the state of being rested as you progress through your day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope take a moment to leave a comment, like this video, and also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel so that we can bring more such informative videos to you. Thank you so much, and namaste.